Hey everybody, this is Troy and Melanie from the Do-It-Yourself world, and right now Melanie's going to crack open a coconut to get the water, and then she's going to show us something really cool. Let me get back from there. Oh, it's spraying.
Now you can, no, the water is coming out. Yay!
There it is. I hope we don't spill it.
There we go.
Okay, and then she's got something else cool to share with us. We're going to get this out of the way. We'll be right back. Now, Melanie, what is this thing?
It's a grinder for the coconut.
Okay, she's been excited about this.
You sit in here.
She's going to sit on that. Look at her fancy shoes. Okay.
You grind it from here around.
Uh-huh. Interesting. And you just keep going until it's all done?
Yep.
Look at that. See, this is authentic Philippine style, people. Is that a tool you buy, that part that's screwed on there?
Yeah. It's a metal.
Yeah.
See?
Uh-huh. I remember sitting there with a knife, prying and tearing at that stuff by hand for hours trying to get the coconut out. She's doing the whole thing in minutes. Never seen such a thing before. Interesting. Just like from the store. Look at that.
Yeah, and then when you squeeze it, you're gonna use a... There's the fresh coconut milk.
Look at that, coconut milk. Neat.
Yeah. Ta-da!
There it is. And that you can use as a bowl.
Yep.
Look at all that from one half. That's quite a pile. Neat. So there's something really unique, guys, that I've never seen before.
You have to just be careful where you put your hands, because it could...
Oh, yeah, that would hurt.
Do that.
Oh, yeah.
This is metal. This is sharp.
Yeah, sharp metal. Cool. Please like this video, guys. Look at that.